Dustin, what do you do in your stand? You got fucking shit everywhere.
Fucking buzzards.
Ain't that like a disease?
Yeah, it's called the buzzards fucking making a nest in my fucking stand. God damn it. This bitch fucked.
We got the chicken coop. Look, they got eggs. Damn, they throw up in there? You never gonna find them?
Well, put them in the stand.
Shit, put them in that David cook them for migas.
God damn.
That's just bird shit. I mean, look at that. You got buzzard shit everywhere.
Not funny, dude.
I've never seen I mean, I've had raccoons in stands, but I've never seen a buzzard turn it into a coop.
Stupid fuck. Go the fucking behind. Fuck. I'm gonna piss off me now. Fucking birds. Damn, I ain't getting to that one.
That's just one bird. One bird did that.
2 fucking eggs.
They had bird sex in your stand. Bow, chicka, bow, bow. Ooh, there's a buzzard bee. You come to your stand to go out and it's rocking around.
Get out of here. Shut the fuck up. Pissed off now.